In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new customer in QuickBooks. QuickBooks is an integral tool for financial management that can help streamline your business operations. By effectively managing your customers within this platform, you ensure that your business remains organized and efficient. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just looking to refine your skills, this guide will provide clear and detailed instructions to help you get the job done. Let's start by opening QuickBooks. You can do this by navigating to your QuickBooks homepage. Once you're there, you'll find the interface quite intuitive. Feel free to take a few moments to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already acquainted. It's important to have a clear view of the dashboard, as this will be your central hub for managing various aspects of your business finances. Now that you're on the home page, look towards the left-hand side of your screen and find the menu labeled Sales. The Sales section is where you'll manage all your invoicing, estimates, and of course your customer list. Click on Sales to proceed to the next step. Within the Sales tab, you'll see several options listed in the submenu. Your focus should be directed towards the section named Customers. Click on Customers and it will bring up a list of all existing customers you have in QuickBooks. If you've been using QuickBooks for a while, you might see a comprehensive list here, whereas new users will see a more minimal layout. Regardless of your starting point, this is where the magic happens when you need to add new customers. To add a new customer, glance to the top right corner of the Customers page. Here you'll notice a button that says New Customer. This is your gateway to adding fresh contributors to your business. Go ahead and click on this button to begin the customer creation process. Once you've clicked on New Customer, a form will appear for you to fill out. This is where you'll input all the necessary details for your new customer. Be sure to enter the information accurately to avoid any discrepancies later down the line. Essential fields to complete include the customer's name, company name, contact information, and billing address. Filling out this information completely will ensure you're adequately prepared for future transactions with your customer. QuickBooks also allows you to input additional details such as payment terms and invoice preferences, providing a robust overview of each client you conduct business with. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new customer in QuickBooks. Remember, maintaining updated and comprehensive records within QuickBooks helps keep your business on track. If you have any questions or need further assistance, QuickBooks offers a variety of support resources to explore. Thank you for joining today's walkthrough, and keep practicing to master these efficient tools that are at your disposal.